I need to get some coffee. I need to hang out in nature because I was in the car for 8 hours yesterday. And then I need to cook a meal today. A nice, good, warm meal because it is cold. It is 32 degrees out right now. Without further ado, the world is weird. The world is wild. So let's go hang out with it. Oh yeah, while I did the intro, I had this thing blazing at 90 degrees with the heat seat on. Let's head down the highway. I don't have service here and I don't really know where I am. I rolled in late last night. Let's find a propane tank because I need one to cook coffee and food. Let's go. To set the location of where I'm at today, I'm currently in South Dakota. I'm just north of the Badlands. I'm heading west to Rapid City, the start of the Black Hills. I'm really excited. I'm Twig. You're watching Twigging Around. Thanks for swinging by the channel. Let's go have an interesting day. All right, we're currently at Walmart. I parked all the way in the back because I need to walk. I've been sitting way too much and I feel super lazy. So let's get inside and let's grab a couple things. Definitely doing a crushed red pepper. We'll do an Italian seasoning because that covers a lot of stuff. A little garlic powder. Dude, no way. Fireball seasoning. I almost feel like I have to get that, but that's disgusting. I mean, I drink Fireball all the time, but I don't put it on my food. Boom. And we'll just get a little bottle of extra virgin olive oil. I was gonna get Bison if they had it here, but I'm not seeing it. Oh, ground Bison right here. $9. Is that worth it? Who knows? One in South Dakota and Wyoming. I think we have to have Bison though. All right, I think I'm gonna grab a tote to keep everything organized in the car. All right, that's pretty successful. Okay. I had a place I wanted to go to. I'm gonna butcher this. Pectola Lake. It's in the Black Hills. It looks pretty cool. All right. Oh. Let's get a coffee session. I saw water and I got timid, but I forgot we're in the land of fresh water. Little scoop there for the coffee. Oh, that's awesome. Can you beat this? This is such a beautiful place. Place is insane. Super insane. You can see it start bubbling. I'm so ready for this. You guys have no idea how ready for this coffee I am. It's hot enough. It's steaming. It's good enough for the pour over. Oh, baby. It's so warm. You're so warm to me, baby. Can't stay here overnight, but I don't know. I feel like national parks is like Mexico where it's advised not to, but I don't know. Maybe I'll stay here, maybe I won't. I'm not trying to plan too much out. I kind of want to just have a good time and go with the flow. I'm gonna get some water boiling. Well, actually it's gonna be chicken stock. Oil in here. We're out here winging it. Blah, blah, blah. All right, next up, I'm just gonna hopefully not cut myself. There's gonna be a lot of this in there. Let it cook down. I wanna let you know I'm 100% winging this right now. I'm just dumping shit in a pot. Red pepper flake. Give it some spice. I also have some Southwest corn. A lot of juice in there. Put this all back in my coffee cup. So I don't need all that juice in there. Cheers. Corn juice. That's actually really good. That's gonna go really well in here. Oh, boom, boom, boom. Oh, boom. Oh, boom. I got this knife. Sand all over it. I don't know why I'm doing this. I found my spoon. Get some of that meat down there turned up. So it's gonna doot, doot, doot. Oh man, the wind. Oh, don't knock it over. Man, I need to bring this down or something. Salt down to the finest. Just a little bit of salt. Then for some flavoring, some garlic powder. Let's see what's going on here. It's really good. A little bison stew right here. I'm just gonna put this top on and let it simmer for a little bit. All right, I think it's time to clean up a little bit. All right, I'm pretty cold. It was just snowing there for a second. It's really nice sitting at this table. Makes things a lot easier, but boom, there's the stew. I was talking to KB. She's excited for me to get back. I'm excited to get down there. It's nice to have something warm. My body temp was really dropping there. This cloud came over and just started snowing a little bit. I feel a cold front come through too. Bison stew, baby. That's my first bison stew. Oh man, hot damn. It's starting to sleet. The wind is just picking up like crazy. Look at this. This is crazy. I'm not gonna be sleeping outside tonight. I think I'm gonna edit some more footage that I have and do a little car camping, stealth car camping. This episode just took a turn. If I had a tent, maybe, but I don't have a tent. I just have a sleeping pad and a heavy onesie. We're gonna get back to the car. We're doing car camping tonight. Maybe at a rest stop, but maybe also we'll just find a spot, post up secretively. Yo, you guys see this mountain? Look at that mountain. Let me zoom in for you guys. Zoom. This place is sick. I should have come here earlier. What in the heck? There's a bathroom right here. If this place is open, I'm spending the night here. Oh, dude. We're going on this trail, and I'm not really sure. It says Lost Cabin Trail 2 miles, access 1/4. So we're gonna see. I really hope that there's a lost cabin down here because I brought ramen noodles and bison and some veggies. I'd really like to eat ramen noodles in a lost cabin right now. Oh, it's wet. I wonder if there's any mountain lions up here. Probably. Are in the mountains. And bears. I got warm bison meat in my backpack. Who knows? You know? Maybe we make a friend today. This sign says Lost Cabin or Trail number 2. Duh, Lost Cabin, dude. To answer if there's bears, I do have to hurry a little bit. This is a 2-mile walk in. I want to cook ramen noodles, hopefully in a decrepit cabin. Rocky stairs? You kidding me? Boom, 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 boom. Oh my gosh. So cool. There's mountains up there. Mountain. My gosh. This is why you do it, folks. This is why you leave the house. For hikes like this. Man. You gotta stop to appreciate something like that. That's crazy. There's parts of Minnesota that are like this. Mexico's definitely like this, but different terrain, plant-wise. But this is like Minnesota on steroids. I love it here. This is great. Less lakes, but, you know, more topography. I'll take less lakes and more topography, for sure. I wonder, because I've been driving up the mountain really quick, hopped out and did a hike, if I'm feeling any altitude change, because I'm feeling pretty winded right now. I'm breathing, but it's all worth it. Boop, boop, booping pine trees, boop, boop, boop. I don't know where the heck this cabin is. Maybe there is no cabin, it's just a never-ending trail. Who knows? I'm wondering if soon, if I'm gonna start playing games in my own head once it starts getting dark. You always start playing games in your own head late at night, in the dark, walking in uncharted territory. Hee hee ha! Usually pans out, I'm still alive. What? What? Dude, look at this. Lost Cabin Trail, 2 miles. I'm at a dirt road. I'm getting the feeling that there is no lost cabin. Oh, that's a little bullshit, dude. Dang it. I was really hoping for a lost cabin. That was like a 4 out of 5 star trail though. That was really cool. You would have gotten 5 if there was a lost cabin. Oh, I'm hungry too. I want to make ramen noodles. I didn't have any service, but the map pulled up on my phone. I could take that road back, but I'd be walking on a road. It's 7:14. I believe 7:20 is sundown. So you have about 40 minutes. And you know how it is. It gets to sundown, but then you still have like an hour before it's fully dark. So I'm gonna punch this trail all the way back. Man, that's a disappointment. I really wanted to see a lost cabin. I feel like I get 75% of the way full and then my lungs tighten up. I don't know if that's the cold or if that's the altitude. If you know, let me know in the comments below. And I need to take a break. And speaking of comments, you guys know who you are that comment every video. I want to say thank you. Thank you so much. It means so much when I come back from solitude, because a lot of my life is spent alone out here, just adventuring, and coming back to edit and seeing comments mean a lot. They mean a lot. So thank you, thank you. You know who you are. There's a handful of you I'm talking to right now. I appreciate it. If you're nervous to comment, but you want to, dude, it's a free world. Say whatever you want. Comment away. Have some fun. Join the flock. I just got back to the car. Whew, I'm thirsty. I'm winded. But dang, that was a good hike. That was so awesome. Let's get in the car. Let's get some light on so you guys can see me. All right. I think that's the best angle we're gonna get here. I've never started this in the car before. I'm gonna get some oil and meat in there. This thing is still pretty dirty from earlier. And then we're gonna dump the rest of the bison in because it needs to get cooked. So I have oil in there right now because it's a really thin bottom. So if I start the fire before I have moisture in there, the thing heats up insanely fast. 3, 2, One. Ooh, baby. Okay. Throw some pepper in there. Boom. 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 I'm going to use chicken broth. I usually use water. Maybe I'll do part chicken broth and part water. Slide it in. If you haven't seen this sauce before, let's see if I can show you. Basically like blood, but it tastes so dang good. You want to get the sauce in first, because then it makes the noodles absorb the flavor. Put the seaweed in. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, y'all. That was a day right there. Here we go. Boom. I'm going to sit here. I'm going to enjoy this. Let me take a sip for you. Oh, it's hot. It's cold. I'm going to get into all my gear. I'm going to throw a blanket on me. I'm going to lean back in the chair. I'm going to bed. Thank you for coming around. Thank you for hanging out with me. You're awesome. Till next time, be happy, be healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.